Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 5 Zulily envelopes to open, and there's 3 of them which they're not too big, and some of them will have like jewelry, and then this is the other 2. This one is pretty heavy, so I will leave the heavy one for last, and we will just start opening the smaller ones first. So it's a little bit cloudy today. It's been snowing here on and off, and it's kind of wet snow, so it just melts as it hits the ground. It's not gonna stay, but it's a little bit chilly outside. I didn't have to go anywhere today, so I'm happy about that. So we'll start with this one first, and I can feel there's 2 boxes in here, which is probably jewelry, because I like ordering jewelry from them. They just come in these nice little boxes. Alright, so the first one I'm opening is going to be I think this is earrings. These are the feather earrings. I hope they didn't damage them by folding them up like this. So that is what these look like. And I think I ordered the white ones as well. So that's the back of it. And that's the front. These are super duper cute. I love these. They are cute. They kind of look really nice for fall because they have the little furry stuff there. So cute. I always used to think that feather earrings would most likely be for summertime, but I guess people wear them in the fall as well. So that's what those look like. I'm glad that they give me in a nice little box that I can store them in. So we're gonna open the other ones. And this is the white ones, but they're different. I thought I ordered furry ones. I order so much stuff from them that I kind of lose track sometimes. Oh, these are cute. So these ones are white, and they have the brown beads. These are just so cute. They would look really nice as well. Really nice and dangly. I like the design. So that's the other one. Okay, so that was the first envelope, 2 pairs of earrings, and now I'm gonna move on to this one, which I can feel like it's jewelry in there as well. So we're just gonna open this up. And these are earrings as well. I like to keep my slips so that I can put them in the description. So these are colorful. I was kind of iffy on these ones because I wasn't sure, but they were affordable. So I said, well, maybe I'll just get them because they're nice and colorful. You can wear them with like more than one color outfit. So this is what these look like, and they're actually pretty cute in person when you see them. So I hope you're seeing this good. This is what they look like, and then they have the backs. It's actually pretty cute. The little beading work around the edges are kind of like sparkly. So that's what it looks like. Pretty cute. I like these. They can go with different color outfits like I mentioned, so that's nice. So that was the second envelope. Now I'm gonna go into the third one, which is, I can feel that it's jewelry in there as well. And this one is in a bubble wrap. Oh, these ones. These look so cute on the site. So that's These earrings. Now this Ella and Ellie, they have a lot of really cute jewelry. They make a lot of statement piece jewelry. Like you can find really cute necklaces and stuff like that. Sometimes you can get purse charms as well, which is really nice. Let's open it and give you a closer look at them. So that's what they look like. So cute. Such a nice color. I try to get like different colors for jewelry. Then if I buy an outfit and it's a color and then I have a piece of jewelry to match it. Even if it's just earrings, it's always a good thing, you know. So that's what these look like. Super cute. Very affordable. All the stones are in place, so that's nice as well. Nothing missing. Pretty good. I always get nervous about ordering jewelry because, especially if they have a lot of stones in them, I'm just scared that they come with a stone missing and then you can't replace it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the fourth envelope, which is this one. I'm kind of nervous about this one because it's supposed to be one of those belt bags. You can wear it around the waist and also on your shoulder. So fingers crossed that they do look like they look on the site. So this is called the gray and gold dual chain snake embossed belt bag. So usually I'm not a fan of anything that's snake colored. I like the leopard prints. I don't like snakes, so I tend to not buy a lot of snake print clothing and stuff like that, or shoes or purses. But this looked kind of cute, so I decided to see, you know, if it was really like they said it was gonna look. And they had these in different colors. They had like I think a wine color with the same snake, the black print on it, but instead of it being white, it was like a wine color. So I think there was one or two other colors as well, but I like this one. So this is the brand, and they have clothing as well that's on the site. So I guess this part here is where the straps will go. It's pretty snug. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So let's see if it does come with the straps. So this part is the wear on your shoulder. And I see. Okay, so this part is on the shoulder and it's got a little piece hanging down here, which I think when you wear it as a belt, it kind of hangs down on your hips like that. So that is how the model was wearing it on the site. She had it wrapped around her waist, and then this part was hanging down, and it looked really cute. It's actually smaller than I thought, but you know, we'll see. And then this is the belt. So hopefully that works, and it's pretty smooth. Like, it's not a fabric. I thought it was gonna be like a fabric, but it's pretty smooth and pretty simple in there. Nothing too fancy, no zipper or anything inside there, so you won't be putting very much in there, I can tell you that. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. Hopefully it does fit nice. I'm just looking at the straps. It's gonna be pretty short if I do wear it on the shoulder, but I mean, I don't, you know, it's cute still either way. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so that was the fourth envelope. Now we're leaving the big one for last. So I can feel that I think there might be shoes in here. What I'm not happy about is that usually when I order shoes, they put it in a box, or the shoes come in its own box and then they put it in a box with other stuff, because I always have other orders. So I'm not liking that it's in an envelope where it can get squashed with other things. So I'm hoping that it's not smooshed in or anything like that. And there is 5 things in here. Ooh, this one. So this is the yellow and white daisy babe necklace. And I've been looking at this for a long time, and I've never gotten around to buying it until recently. It was like really affordable, so I just decided to grab it. And it's by the same brand as those earrings, Ella and Ellie. They have pretty cute jewelry. And this is what it looks like. Pretty nice. Would look really nice with like a white sundress, a nice little strappy sundress in the summertime. So this is cute. I was looking at this for so long, and then I would say, well, I don't know if I should get it or not, and then by the time I decide to get it, it's gone. So I'm glad I did, because it's super cute. Oh, more jewelry, guys. Oh my god. By the same brand again. More earrings. They sell really nice jewelry. And really affordable. I mean, there's some expensive stuff, but sometimes you can get like sterling silver for a really good price as well. So, oh, these are so cute. Look at this. Oh, that is so gorgeous. I love these. I saw this and I said, wow. This would look nice with like a wedding dress. Like if you're getting married, or you know somebody who's getting married, you can lend it to them or give them as a gift or something. So cute. It has like the little butterflies there, and super duper cute. I know this will look so cute. Oh, I love this. Really nice stuff. Well, I got a big jewelry box to fill, so I may as well, right? And I see another box in here by the same company too. Okay, so this is the white ones to the black. I was saying I think I did order the white ones too, but I couldn't be sure. So I just have to fix this a little bit. The feathers, or the chain, is all wrapped around inside here. Okay, I think I've got it fixed, maybe not. One more. There we go. So that's the white to that black one that I showed you in the beginning there. I gotta fix this one as well. Come on. So that's the white ones. Oops. Okay, so that was those earrings. Oh, this is supposed to be like a body chain. So it's by the same Ella and Ellie again. Okay, so how this is supposed to fit, it goes around the neckline, and then it just hangs down in the front of your body. So I was thinking that this will look good on, like, if you wear like one of those turtlenecks or something, you can wear it that way. And there were like different designs in this one. They had different colors as well. So it's like a body chain. And it's pretty long, so it'll be hanging in the front of you, and then this is the part that goes around the neckline. So yeah, I hope this looks good, because I can see like some parts are longer. Like this part is like way longer than the other side. So I'm gonna have to figure this one out to see exactly how this will fit. Yeah, so that was the body chain. I'm just scared it gets so tangled. And these are the shoes, guys. So this is what the shoes look like. And I'm not not sure if I'm really liking this. I thought maybe they had like the laces on it, but the inside looks like it's gonna be really comfortable. Well, it does come with the laces, so you can, I'm surprised it didn't come with the laces put on, but that's okay. I can do it myself. I'm only worried about this part being so low. Like, I hope my feet don't keep, you know, coming out of the shoe. And I got these in, what size does this say? I don't know where my slip is. Maybe it's here. In a size 8. But I don't know why it says size 4 on the bottom, so it better fit, because I'm gonna be phoning them about that if it doesn't, because that's not what I ordered. So I saw these and I thought, well, they might be nice to just wear around here when I'm going for my walks or whatever. I like the little logos on the sides there, and yeah, so I just thought I would pick these up. So that was everything in my video today, or in my haul. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully I'm able to do some more in the next few days, because I've got a London Drugs haul. We did go to Grand Prairie for a day. I did some shopping there as well. So I have so much stuff. I'm just not getting the time because my fiance was off work for 3 weeks, and then our dog hurt his leg, so it's a lot of stuff happening. So, but we'll see how it goes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.